Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday, the 8th of December 2014. And starting off in the 5-minute chart, so we can see that the market was showing some indecision to begin with. We've got the Telegraph poles there, and then we see some further selling in this bar, which is an upthrust shaped bar, and then prices being driven down to where they found support just above the psychological 17,900. So we can see the buying coming into the market here. This moves prices higher again because we have indecision and selling here. We see some more selling as stop losses are taken out, and also people trying to move the market lower. However, the next bar we see prices turn around and move higher, and eventually we managed to drive through the previous day's high after the selling has been shown to be gone from the market, which you've got the low volume there, and then up to the resistance one also. And again, a bit of indecision there. You can see now that the high from the previous day is the support level for this market, and then once we get back through the R1, the market continues to move higher, and then you see prices trading in a sideways range. So what I'm going to do is just to introduce you to something else as well. If you take the fib retracement and you find the market's made a high, pulls back, and if you get the right tool to start with, it's under annotations, and we don't want to extend it right. So if you take the high where the market's left behind down to the low it's left behind and draw across, you will find that 9 times out of 10 the market will stop at the 76% retracement, and there we have the sell signal as well. We then see prices moving lower and heading down all the way back down to the support there at 17,950. Got psychological level and also the resistance one there. Let's just have a look at the high as well, see if we got close to the 18,000, which I know we weren't far off it. We got to 17,986. So 14 points off that major psychological level. But then we see the market moving all the way back down, heading towards the last hour of the session. We get a buy signal there, which fails, giving a loss, taking the profits that we'd made on the downside there. And then we're into the last half an hour of the trading session there, so not really too much of a concern for the last two signals there. But it's a shame really that the market attempted to try and move higher, only just filled the trade, as you'll see there, and then coming back and trading back below the psychological of 17,950 there, which of course we then saw the market continue lower. Before then they brought the market back as well, so consistent with the last half an hour of the trading session. As traders get out of their short positions, you will see them buying back, and that's what we're seeing there. So the market's been sideways in a very tight range on the overnight market there. And again, this is reflected in the daily chart as well. You can see the market sideways there. Let's just make a few adjustments here and remove some of these extensions so we can see what it is we've got. See prices there breaking through last week, the high that was 17,892, and then the new all-time high of 17,986 that we have in place now. We're 14 points off that, and there's still likely that the market will attack this before actually putting in a correction. There's no economic news today, and let's just clarify that. We've got Italian bank holiday and Eurogroup meeting at 10:15 a.m. So no US news to move the markets this afternoon, so it could be fairly quiet and choppy and sideways, so just keep that in mind as well. On the implied volatility front, the historic volatility down to 6.3. We're looking for 5.65. You can see there's a drop off a cliff there down towards the 6% level. 1104 again for the implied volatility. You can see that turning around. We want to see this move lower. 7.90 would be ideal if we could hit this as well. So that's it. Fairly brief and to the point this morning. Just getting back into the groove following the weekend there. We'll see what tomorrow brings, but no economic news today to move the market. So unless there's anything of a geopolitical nature, we could see a sideways market there. Right, that's it from me. I will see you in tomorrow's edition of the Market Alert. Have a good day as ever. Thank you for your support. Very much appreciated. Don't forget, if you've not seen the test bar videos in the additional training section of the member section of the website, then please do take a look. Right, I will see you in tomorrow's edition. As ever, thanks for watching.